Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see Pratish Nandi Communications Limited. Friends, within 1 month it given 100% returns and after news came out as a Tata company, that means Tata's going invested in Pratish Nande Communications. Ratan Tata taken stack in this company. It's real. And Pratish Nande also given BSc filings also after that news. So going forward, it hit continue upper circuits and every day it is hitting new 52-week high. But friends, after 100% returns, whether to hold or sell this share, today I am giving a detailed analysis about the company. So friends, Pratish Nande incorporated in 1993 and the company working on production, development, promotion, exhibitions, dealing and marketing of various TV shows. So friends, recently it moved internet businesses and OTT platforms also. So it having few and popular seasons like four more shots and there are so many awards for this show. It is running present third episode, that means third series, first series, second series, third series. So friends, seasons and we are expecting it's a good company going forward, but present the annual reports of the company not at all gooding that much impressive. Why? Because on December 2019 total income 3.5, March 2020 7.4 crores, June 2020 0.23, that means 23 lakhs, September 2020 1.32 lakh 32 crores, and next December 2020 2.48 crores. So friends, in everywhere the net profits will be on loss itself. So going forward, we are seeing if the company will play good role in OTTs due to COVID rises and all those things, it will get benefit. But friends, I am expecting the company having some debit also, and see here the balance sheets of the company, total assets and liabilities, which has financial year 2020 104 and total liabilities are 23. And so next thing what we have to see, total debit to equity ratio is 0.03. So friends, going forward we are seeing the company will perform, but it will take some time. So next thing what I am going to say is Pratish Nande promoters increasing stack from 3 consecutive years. So going forward, Pratish Nande, who is the CEO of this company, in 2019 they bought 5 lakh shares, which is 3.5%, and next 2020 they bought 7 lakh shares, which is 4.95%, and their holdings stood at 49.90, and in 2021 itself they bought again 9 lakh shares, which is 4.95%. Totally Pratish Nande having 54.84%. friends, it's a promoter share. And one thing I am going to show you in this video, which is Pratish Nande's bulk deals, recent bulk deals. So friends, going forward, on 26th March 2021, recently last Friday, Thursday, last week, at 38 rupees 74,000 shares sold by Prakash Hasmukhi. So we have to notice this, friends. One of the promoter or individual stakeholder sold 74,000 shares, and Nimish Deepak broker sold like 32.90 around 1 lakh shares. Why? Because on the same day, previous day itself, he bought 1.4 lakh shares, and next day he sold nearly 2.4 lakh shares. That means he sold extra 1 lakh. So that 1 lakh is extra share. So next we are going to see what gonna be Alpha Leon Enterprise. It's one of the like operators enterprise. This one, Alpha Elon Enterprise Limited. They sold nearly 79,000 shares at 31.35, and idea.com bought first March 18 rupees 2.9 lakh shares, and on the same day Ideas India Private Limited also bought 18 rupees 2.9 lakh, that means nearly 3 lakh shares. So friends, idea.com India Private Limited continuously increasing stake in this company, and I am expecting nearly 10% of this company's stake held by this idea.com India Private Limited and idea.com India Private Limited. These both companies both ones similarly, but they are having two separate deals like that. They are also taking so many of company stack. Why? Because 27th February 2020 also idea.com purchased nearly 2 lakh shares in this company. So friends, what I am going to say is the company given huge returns and presently it is at overbought zone. So that's why I am telling that going forward whoever what you called retail investors will take a profit booking, friends. Why? Because recently 26th 20th or 22nd itself somewhat selling happened. Why? Because in a short term they got a lot of amount, and now which is the company at a overbought zone. So friends, you have to see this, the company price, share price is at overbought zone. So whenever the company share is at overbought zone, it will give some negative vibes, and markets also not supporting that much. So I am expecting the share will taken some what you called volatility in coming days. So if any retailers are there, take some profit, friends. So thank you. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends.